Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to recreate this model using AutoCAD. Let's get started. First go to the AutoCAD software. This is the window of AutoCAD. First go to the new. Here also you can go for new. Yes, now we are in the AutoCAD drawing window. First we are going to model this drawing. For easy drawing, I'm just opening this file. Just keeping this software right side. Now we can just keep like this. Yes. This is the model we are going to recreate it in AutoCAD. For that, first we need to specify the units. The software doesn't know what unit we are using it. For the first we need to specify the unit. Our units are in millimeter. So for that, to set the units, just type units here, just enter it. You will get this dialog box. Here you choose decimal. Precision, here you see the precision which is a there is no decimal in that. For that, use 0. Then here unit scale, you choose unit as millimeter, then say OK. Now we have specified the unit. Then we need to specify the limits. Limit is nothing but specifying the drawing sheet. For example, you see in this slide, we have a drawing at the center. Similarly, we need to specify the drawing sheet in AutoCAD as a two coordinates. One is the bottom left corner. Another one is top right corner. This one is 0, 0. This one we need to specify which is bigger than the size of our drawing. The maximum length of the drawing is, here you can calculate 25, 55, 60, 80. So maximum is 80 length and maximum height is 30 plus 30. So 30 plus 30 is 60, 80 and 30, 80 and 60. So we can take more than that. I'm going to take it as 150, 150. Now just go for the limits. First initial left corner point is 0, 0, 0, 0, enter. Right is 150, 150, enter. Then Z, enter, A, enter. This green color indicates that it is zoomed and set the screen as the dimension we have specified. Now just go for the drawing. This was our drawing. We can start our drawing from anywhere, any location, this point or this point. In this model, I'm going to start from this point for my convenience. If you want to, if your convenience is start from this point, means you start it. So now I'm going to start this model from this point. For that, take a line. Just start it here. First take a line. Just click here. Now see the line is inclined. Wherever it goes, it goes. To make horizontal or vertical line, we need to switch on the ortho mode. This is the ortho mode. We can press F8 or we can switch on this one. This light blue color indicates that this ortho mode is switched on or enabled. Now we just go for the vertical, which is 30 mm. Then we need to draw this arc. We are going to draw this arc by using a circle. We need to find a center of this arc. This is a 30 mm radius. Then to find the center is 15 mm. Just go little 15, then right click and cancel. This length is 15 mm, that is the radius of the circle. Now simply take a circle center and diameter. This one is the center point. Specify the diameter as 30. Now we have created this arc. Then go for the line again. We need to find the quadrant. From that we need to start it. Here see the quadrant is enabled and it's showing. If it is not showing, just go here. This one is the points. Just go here. Whatever the points you want to see the reference, that is, you just enable it. Now I have enabled it as a quadrant. Just see here. This one is the quadrant point. This length is here. From here we can calculate. This radius is 15. The total length is 25. 25 minus 15 is 10 mm. Then the horizontal length is 10 mm. Then the vertical length is they have given as 10 mm. 10, enter. and again go for the horizontal length, which is 30 mm. Here they have provided. Then again vertical distance is 10 mm. Then horizontal distance is 25 mm. Then again go for 20. This one again 25. Again which is 10. Again which is 30. Again which is 10. Again you just go for 10 mm again. Now we are in this point. Similarly, the same method what we have followed here, the same method we are going to follow here. From here to here we just want to move to find the center of the circle. The center is 15 mm radius, then move little 15 mm, then right click and cancel it. Now take a circle. We can take any one of that circle. Here they have specified a radius. Take a center and radius. Just click here. Specify the radius is 15. Now we have modeled the component. Now we just want to remove unwanted edges. For that we are going to use a tool called trim. This is the trim tool. Just click here, take a trim. We can take a trim tool from the command also. Simply just type TR, enter. It will come to the mouse. Now just remove the unwanted edges. This way we can remove, or this way also we can remove. Now see, the complete outer sketch we have drawn. Now we just want to draw this inner circle, which is we have two circles. For that just select this point, take a line. We need to find the center of the circle. The center is midpoint of this midline. Similarly here also midpoint. Simply you just draw a line here. Right click and cancel. Again take a line from here to here. Cancel it. Now simply take a circle with a diameter of 12 mm. Just go for center and diameter. Here midpoint it will show you as a triangle. Then draw a 12. Similarly, if you want to take the previous command, press enter again. The previous command will come to our mouse. Take a midpoint. Here it is showing, we want to specify diameter, means D, enter. Diameter is 12. Now we have created this two circle. Now just remove the unwanted edges again. Simply we can select and erase also. Just select it and press the delete button. This line will delete it. Now we just want to create this center line. This is the center line. Just create a simple line. Here you can see there is a midpoint. Just go here somewhere. Just start it from here. Just create a line. Right click and cancel. This one is the center line. This line it shows like a straight continuous line. Now we need to make it as dash, short dash and long dash line. For that we need to change the property of this line. For that here you can see the option by layer. This is the property. Just go here. Just go for the others. Here we need to choose the load option. Just choose load. Here you can see long dash and short dash, which is the center line option. Here the default center line option also be there. Here you can see if you don't have any methods, like default center line is there. Select the center, say OK. Now the center line came in this box. Just say OK. Now simply select this line. Simply select this line. Just go for the layer, change into center. Now you see, now the center line we have changed it. Now we just want to create a center mark to the circle also. To create a center mark, simply type CM. CM means nothing but center mark. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get center mark. Just escape. Now we got the center mark as well as the center line. Now we have finished the model. This line here little more means just select this line. Just press this one. Now we can adjust this length also. Okay, like this way we can adjust the length. Now we just want to specify the dimensions. As just go for dimension. This one is the smart dimension. Instead, you just go for a specified dimension. We'll start from here. First, we'll take a radius dimension. Just click it here. This one is the radius dimension. Here, the radius dimension is showing very small one. To modify this one property, go for dim style, dim STY, enter. Just go for modify. Here, lines, need not to change anything. Go for symbols and arrow. Specify 4. Text also we specify it as 4. And primary units also we change this into 0. Now just say OK, then close it. Now see, the dimension is came. This 4 is the size of the value. If you are specifying 5, 6, then the size will be bigger. The dimension should not be so much bigger size. So appropriate size we need to write it. Then we'll start with the linear dimension. Just go for linear. From this point to this point, which is 25, and place it here. Then which is 30 mm. Take a linear dimension again from here to here, which is 30. Then which is 25. Take a linear dimension from here to here, which is 25. Then this linear dimension is 20. And this vertical dimension is 10 mm. Now see, this 10 mm value, 10 value is coming inside. We need to keep it outside. Means just select it here. Just select this one. Just move it here. And select this one and move it here. This way we can change, locate or adjust the dimension. Similarly, go for the linear dimension again. From this point to this point. And press it here. Again select this one. And this one you select it and keep it outside, and select it and move it inside. Now just specify the diameter of the circle. For that, just go here, diameter, select this one, diameter. We have a 2 circle with the diameter of 12 mm. Need not to specify the diameter to the every circle. Just double click this one. Now we can edit this value. Then go for this one, comma, dia 12, space 2, just holes. This way we can type it. This indicates that we have a 2 holes with a diameter of 12 diameter. Then we can specify the linear dimension again. Just go for linear. From here to here, which is 30 mm. And this arc also we can specify it as diameter. Just go for the diameter. Just click this one. And here. Now each and every dimension we have specified it. And if you want to make a line thicker, just select these lines one by one. Not required. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.